Hey, what's going on, my electronics? How you doing today? I'm gonna do a video about like a cultural appropriation day. Now, the part of cultural appropriation I'm gonna talk about today is like the wearing of cornrows. Yeah, I'm gonna talk a bit about today, and like, do you need permission from other like cultures or from people to do it? Now, the whole thing about like wearing cornrows or like dreadlock. Here's one thing I can say firmly out loud and without any others. Anybody can wear any hairstyle they want, regardless of who says what. I don't care. People can wear cornrows all they want, and people can judge all they want. Nobody's gonna give a. I certainly don't care. Seriously, cornrows are just a hairstyle, just a hairstyle for you to wear, and it's fine. It looks cool, man, on anybody, white, black, Mexican, whoever, whatever skin color. It looks good. Seriously, it does not matter. You don't need somebody else's permission to do it. That's stupid. That's like me going to ask permission from, like, say, the Hispanics if I want to eat a taco. No, no, that'd be stupid. I can eat what I want, wear what I want, and wear any kind of hairstyle that I want. I'm going bald, as you can see, but I can pull it off. But yeah, I can do that. You need nobody's permission. Cultural appropriation is total bullcrap. It's a made-up term in the social justice warriors' heads. It doesn't mean anything. It has no jurisdiction or no validation in society today. It really doesn't. It really doesn't have any validation for society today. And I know some people are going to get butthurt, but I don't care. It has no validation. Cultural appropriation is not a thing. It is not. You can explore any culture you want. Anything you have an interest in, go ahead and explore it. Go ahead and dive on in. That is you. Dive on in. Go ahead. I'm rooting for you, man. And don't care what the social justice warriors and like freaking Black Lives Matter and anybody else has to say about it. Go ahead and explore that culture you want, man. Regardless, you want to explore the black culture? Go ahead, man. The Mexican culture? Go ahead. Chinese culture? Go ahead. Any culture you want, go ahead and explore it. And yes, you like I said with the cornrows before. Yes, people wear it out of respect and like they have respect for black culture. They have respect for culture. They don't do it to say natty natty boo boo. I can do what I want. You, no. They're doing it out of respect. And you say no, they're just approving accepting. They can't do it. Take it off now. Who died and made you king of what somebody else can wear on their head and do with their life? Who died and made you king? I certainly don't see that enacted in law or something. Unless it's enacted in law, then I'll follow it. But in other words, no, don't do it. Wear what you want, do what you want, listen to the music you want, lay what you want, do what you want, and do what you want. Culture appropriation is bullcrap, and I hear those social words to their face. Culture appropriation does not exist, will not exist for until the end of time. It will never exist. That is all my electrolytes for today. See you later, guys, and have a good day.